Hey, 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 if you haven't decided yet, we are Igniting Africa in February 2024 this year. That is 23rd, 24th in Joburg in South Africa. We want you to be part of that. You come and meet the entrepreneurs who have made it in life, the global entrepreneurs who are making money by sleeping. They are just sleeping, but money is going in their accounts. If you want to learn more, please, that link there which is down there, click on it and join the winning team. Come and make money while sleeping. Yes, you start by working hard, but afterwards, if you really work hard and prove that you can work hard, you'll start making money while sleeping. Dollars in your account while sleeping. Is that not everyone's dream? Yes, it's possible.